All right, in this video, I want to talk about the importance of having case studies and testimonials for your recruiting agency. Here I am in my home office getting after it this morning. No pictures of yachts or Rolls Royces or Lamborghinis, guys. I know a lot of that garbage is online as you're cruising TikTok or YouTube and seeing all these online marketers who are telling you that they own recruiting agencies and if you pay them, they can help you. Guys, I love to work. I love coming to my office in the morning, rolling up my sleeves, making cold calls, and applying the strategies that I'm teaching my members every day to get results. And the bottom line is, here's the goal. The goal is not to go back to corporate America. That's all I care about. I don't want to go back and work for the man ever again. I don't want to have to get up at 6 a.m. and fight traffic and be in an office at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. You can do recruiting from your home, bring your laptop, travel wherever you want to travel, get 1 to 2 really good performance-based searches a month, and live a happy life. And that's what it's all about. So thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to show you an example of why case studies and having testimonials from previous clients can help you close more deals. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, let's dive into it. Why having a testimonial, letter of recommendation, case studies are so important for your recruiting business. Now, for those of you just starting, I get it. You're probably thinking, I don't have any of those. Like I haven't even made a placement yet. It's okay. All right. So in the beginning, it's going to be a little bit more challenging, right? So once you get that first placement, your main priority is to document it out right afterwards. So what you want to do is schedule a video interview with your client as well as your candidate, or see if your client or candidate will just write something up for you that you can put on your website and you can start advertising on LinkedIn. All right, so we just closed a $25,000 retained search, performance-based search yesterday, actually this morning, woke up and the contract was signed. So we'll collect a third of that today. We got the lead through one of our LinkedIn strategies that you see right here. Video messaging is the number one best way to get responses from clients. It kills cold calling and cold email. 90% open rates, 20 to 30% reply rates. I don't know a better strategy for B2B outreach. So got it through there, then went ahead and drove the client to, minimize this, to a discovery call. Had a great discovery call, went about an hour, and then we went ahead and kicked off and sent them our customized proposal. All right, all happened last week. Now, what I want to show you is what happened last week was this, okay? So let me move this up. We get the proposal over to our client and they say, hey, Clarence and Russ, do you mind if we speak with a couple of references of other clients for whom you've all successfully completed a similar type of search for lead technicians, all right? So we're trying to place a lead RF technician right now. That's what we were proposing. And so I got this yesterday. I'm like, all right, let me think of which clients I have that would give me a letter of recommendation. And so I was quick on my feet right away. I contacted a hiring manager I used to work with in Orlando, called him, told him what was going on. And within like minutes, he was like, Russ, no problem. I'll send you over an email when we hang up as to why working with you was a great experience. And let me show you what that looks like real quick here. Yeah, so here's a quick glimpse of the recommendation that I got like literally within minutes from Joe, who was my hiring manager that I placed a few technicians with Joe a few years ago, and he was gracious enough to write me a recommendation letter. But check this out, guys. Russ, thanks for reaching out to me today. I have no problem providing a recommendation based off our past engagement for resources to whom it may concern, blah, blah, blah. I'm the program manager here. Russell has always been able to provide me with many applicants for the needs as they have arisen. We've utilized him for DAS technicians, contract project leads, and radio technicians. Process was smooth with no hassles. Bottom line is awesome recommendation here. I sent this over to my new hiring manager where I'm trying to close this deal last week. He was super impressed and we closed the deal. Okay. So having letters of recommendation, my advice to you is once you make your first placement, or for those of you watching that make placements often, the only thing you should be doing right afterwards, don't high five your partner. Don't go ahead and look at your bank account. Put a plan in place to get that case study and testimonial and letter of recommendation for what you just did. Okay, that is gold right there. That's like hiring 2 salespeople, because then when you have that together, if you can get it in video format, it's even better. Then you can start advertising that on LinkedIn and different outlets, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. Anytime you have a new client that you're courting, send them that case study, direct them to your website and let them see exactly what you're doing. Yeah, so all right, guys, so that's why it's just so important to always have case studies, testimonials that will help you get more business. Hope that helps, guys.